Hello everybody and welcome back to what is quite possibly the final video in this workspace. And yes, I have had a haircut. Let's go. So you may be wondering why I've got a bit of a dodgy camera angle going on here and why I'm crouching down to you. It's because I completely forgot to get a tripod and pick it up. I'm very disorganised today. I've literally just rocked up the night before. I'm meant to be moving all this stuff in order to prep it, in order to move it, and I've forgotten everything, including moving boxes, my camera tripod, the secondary camera tripod. I forgot to charge my batteries for both the microphone and it's not going too well. But fortunately, what I do have is some very, very helpful friends. So I've got Henry coming tomorrow who is going to help me get all of this heavy stuff, planer, thicknesser, workbench, bandsaw, extractor, glass cabinets possibly, in the back of the van. And that extra manpower is going to be so helpful. So right now I'm getting it all prepped so we can just get in here tomorrow morning and bang, 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 get it all in the back of the van and just get everything done efficiently. He can only help me with the first trip, so then I come back here and then get all the remaining lighter bits in the back. God, how do vloggers do this? This is so heavy. Get all of the lighter stuff in the back of the van, all the rest of the wood, which is looking a little bit dire at the moment. That's not going to be a fun task, and taking down the shelves and all that. It's not particularly exciting stuff, and yeah, to be honest, it's literally just like a bit of recycling, a little bit of putting stuff into boxes, and yeah, I'll try and make it as fun as possible, but no promises. Right, okay, so it's mostly done. Everything is pretty much boxed up. It looks a little bit of a mess, but it's an organised mess, and that's what matters. So I have discovered a small problem in that I can't find the pallet truck here at the workshop, and it's getting a little bit spooky outside at the moment. Like, yeah, it's quite scary, and I'm not entirely sure where the lights are, so I'm just sort of holed up in here at the moment. But because we haven't got a pallet truck, it means that I can't get the machines from here into the van, which is due to be out there tomorrow morning. So what we're gonna have to do is me and Henry are gonna have to move all of the lighter stuff to start with, get all of that in the van, take it to the other workshop, and I've hired a pallet truck at the other end. So we're gonna take all the light stuff there, pick up the pallet truck, come back here, and then I will have to load it on my own into the van. Oh. No, but then me and Henry can get them on the pallets here, ready. I'm working this out as we go. It'll be fine. I'll see you tomorrow. Right, it's now the next morning. We're going to start with the most fragile things we have, the big glass cabinets. Nice. We need, oh God. Okay, I need to tilt this down. wanted to do a quick plug for what Henry actually does, because we didn't get a lot of time to talk about it at the workshop. We got the first load done, which was fun, successful. Basically, I think what Henry does and the rest of his team is massively relevant to people like myself and you guys who do this sort of stuff, like the craft thing, whether it's woodwork, ceramics. That's the only two I can think of off the top of my head. Anything crafty, I think what this guy does will be relevant to you. So I just want to give him time to sort of plug that sort of thing. Off you go.
Jesus. Awesome. So, so my name's Henry. I'm from something called the PopUp Business School. Now, what we do essentially is we travel around the UK, we travel around parts of America. We've also got a branch in New Zealand, and we're doing some different parts over different parts of the world now, which is exciting. And what we do is we travel around and we help people make money doing what they love. And that's usually something that people do as a hobby, something somebody's always dreamed of doing but never quite got the chance to do. Or maybe it's something that you already do and you just don't make any cash from it or don't know how. So we teach you how to do that. We show you how to build websites. We show you how to set yourself up as a business. We show you absolutely everything. And we show you how to make that transition from, maybe you're doing the job that you don't really want to do. We'll help you change from that and start this other stuff. Or maybe you want to actually just start making some money on the side. We'll help you do that. So we're traveling around the UK at the moment. We've got so many events in this side of Christmas and ongoing. So if you head over to our website, which is popupbusinessschool.co.uk,
link in description
/events, you'll see everything that we're doing. The exciting thing that's coming up very soon is that we are actually live streaming every day of a 2-week course that we're doing in Longmont, Colorado. So if you go onto the Longmont page, you can sign up for that and we'll alert you when we're doing all the live stream stuff.
So it's worth saying at the start, you said travelling around the UK. You are also in America as well, because I know a lot of you guys are in America. Where else?
We've just done some stuff in Namibia in Africa. That was strange.
If any of you are from there, that'd be let me know if you are, actually. That would be amazing.
Yes. We've got a branch in New Zealand now. We're doing some stuff in France. And we've got some other random stuff coming up. So, keep your eye out. And if you get on our mailing list, sign up, drop me an email, whatever. I'll keep you updated with where we are.
So links to all that is in the description. Help me out massively, not necessarily with what I did with the video side of things. Even if I didn't do this, if I was just doing the woodwork thing, it would be so helpful. I've been to one of their events, really great. And obviously I've got the information from Henry as well. Very, very helpful. Really recommend looking into it. And it's free. It's free. You have nothing to lose. Go and have a look. And now I've got to go do the second load with my brother. See you later. My question to you is, where do you start with this? Oh, you can't see it. Wait. Yeah, we've got a little bit of a mess going on here. We've got a lot of stuff to try and fit in this workshop. So it's getting late, but I guess this is my job for the next few hours. So I think the first thing that's going to be incredibly helpful will be to actually get some sort of lighting going, because it's getting very dark towards the back and it's now 6:30 and I have about an hour and a half of light left before this place becomes pitch black. So We need to get the LED lights sorted, and I have no idea where I've put them. No idea whatsoever. Yes! Oh, these seem so much brighter in here. Right, so behind me is where the set's going to be, and currently the workbench is there, and there's lots of stuff in the way, and I need to get that from there to there. So the main thing is clearing all of this. One thing I haven't said, which some of you are aware of if you saw my monthly updates for, what was it, July it must have been. You'll know that I'm going to Canada at some point to go on training with Veritas. That's tomorrow. I haven't packed, I haven't got anything ready for it. I don't really know what I'm going to take, and I'm here at 7 o'clock the night before. And the reason for that is because I've got an electrician coming next week while I'm away to fit the trunking for all the power to the machines and lighting and all that. So this kind of needs to get done, and I should probably stop talking, to be honest. So, I can't even see the camera, there's too much light in my face. It's getting late. I've got to edit this video tonight. I've got to fly off tomorrow. So I think now is the time to stop. I've got a pretty good starting point for the electricians to get some proper lighting in, so I'm not constantly being blinded. And once I've got all those cables in for the lighting and I'm back from my trip, I should be able to start organising this in a way that suits me, because I'm still kind of, there's too much going on at the moment and there's not enough time to do it. So we are going to stop for now. As I'm away for the next week, I've said that so many times already, I'm not rubbing it in, I promise, but I am very excited by it. As I'm away, there isn't going to be a video for the next week, maybe 2. I'm going to try and document my time while I'm away, but there won't be anything in the workshop as such, so just a heads up on that. But I think what I'm going to do, the first video that you see after I come back will be of the workshop complete, because from here it's really not exciting stuff. It's just putting stuff in place, a bit of electrics, and that's it. So the next video, the workshop will be complete minus a few things. Might not have the fireman's pole in, still doing that. Might not have the ladder in, still doing that. Obviously can't go up, yeah, it's getting late, oh my God. I'm just going to stop there because my mind is elsewhere and I've got far too much to do. So see you in the next episode.